I will be experimenting a reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar, and what would happen to the fire in the match when it is placed into the container. Since we already have the materials needed, let's move on to the procedure. Step 1 is to pour a small amount of vinegar into the container. And step 2 is to add the baking soda. And of course, step 3 is to observe the reaction. Watch as the baking soda reacts with the vinegar, producing bubbles, and observe how the flame dims and extinguishes quickly when it gets close to the bubble. So just observe it properly and see what happens. And for the reaction between baking soda and vinegar, baking soda reacts with vinegar, which is an acid. It produces sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. For the gas formation, bubbles form as gas is produced, and the reaction slows down as one reactant is used up. Carbon dioxide accumulation is heavier than air, so it settles at the bottom of the container or forms a layer in the bubble. And when placing the match in the bubble, the fire goes out almost immediately, displaces oxygen in the container, creating an environment where the match cannot continue to burn. And for the conclusion, when baking soda and vinegar react, they produce carbon dioxide gas. After the reaction finishes, this gas accumulates in the container. When a lit match is placed in the rich environment, the flame is extinguished because it displaces oxygen and does not support combustion.